Hi everyone, welcome to Story Time with Analynn. Sorry, I'm trying to fix my camera here. There we go. Today's story is Steve the Dung Beetle on a Roll, written by Susan R. Stoltz and illustrations by Melissa Bailey. Let's get comfortable and begin. Hey, this is my poo. Go find your own. It's time to roll this poo home. Hey, Steve, why are you rolling that ball of poo? Because it's my job to help clean up the environment. That's what dung beetles do. Without us, there would be poo all over the place. Oh, I didn't know that. Hey, Steve, why are you rolling that ball of poo? I'm going to recycle this poo and use it for something else. But first, I have to get it home. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Hey, Steve, why are you rolling that ball of poo? Because when I roll it underground, it makes a bed for the baby dung beetles. Yuck! Hey, Steve, why are you rolling that ball of poo? I gotta get it home quickly. I'm in a hurry. I can't explain. Hey, Steve, why are you rolling that ball of poo? Well, when I roll it underground, it helps to control the amount of flies and other insects that bite and annoy you. Hey, that makes me happy, Steve. Hey, Steve, why do you roll that ball of poo upside down and backwards? Because my back legs are much stronger than my front legs. Ah. Hey, Steve, why are you rolling that ball of poo? When I clean up the poo, it doesn't run into the water when it rains. That helps keep the river clean. Wow. Thanks, Steve. Hey, Steve, how do you find your way home when things are in your way? Well, I can navigate by where the sun is in the sky, so I am never lost. That's amazing, Steve. Hot, 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 hot. Hey, Steve, why are you standing on that ball of poo? The ground is very warm when I work so hard rolling this poo home. My feet get burning hot. When I stand on it, it cools them down. Good idea, Steve. Hey, Steve, your poo is out of control. I know. I'm trying to get it underground. Oops. To fertilize the dirt. Yikes. And help plants and trees. Whoa. It makes it grow. Ow. Hey, Steve, why are you rolling that ball of poo? Well, it's my job to help plant trees and flowers. There are seeds in this poo. When I roll it on the ground, those seeds begin to grow. That's a big job, Steve. Hey, Steve, why are you standing on that ball of poo and looking at the stars? The position of the moon and the stars help me find my way home. That's fascinating, Steve. Hey, Steve, this poo is so delicious. It sure is juicy. It's the best dung ball I've ever rolled home. What would we all do with you? Oops, not that. What would we all do without you, Steve? Steve's amazing. The end. Thanks all of you indie authors, self-published authors, for trusting me to bring your stories alive, for people to hear them each week. I will share on the post where you can order this adorable book. Again, I just want to remind all of you that I will get to your stories, I promise, and I will reach out to you to let you know when I'm posting each one. So thank you again for the opportunity. I love doing it and I'm having so much fun. So I just want to say you guys have a great weekend here in Arizona this Saturday on August 1st. It's 118. It's very hot here. So stay cool, drink lots of water, and remember, every day it's our job to be impactful. Impact somebody's life, shine bright and be the light. That is what we're here for. Thanks guys, have a great week.